Welcome! If you're looking to update your LinkedIn country on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you've moved to a new country, started a remote job, or simply want your profile to reflect your current location, changing your country on LinkedIn is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture next to the word Me. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your personal information and preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on Account Preferences to expand the menu. Now, look for the section labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to access your personal details. Here, you'll see your current country listed. Click directly on your country, and a list of available countries will appear. Scroll through the list and select the country you want to switch to. After you've chosen your new country, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your changes won't be applied. Once you hit Save, LinkedIn will update your profile to reflect your new country. You can double-check by viewing your profile and making sure the location is correct. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn country on your PC using the newest update. Keeping your location up to date helps you connect with the right people, find relevant job opportunities, and make the most out of your LinkedIn experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.